Hi, I'm Hassan Mohammed. Welcome to the first step of our coding journey. Today we're gonna discover what HTML and CSS are and why they are the backbone of every single website and the internet. Let's break it down into four simple chapters. Chapter 1. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's like the skeleton of a website, giving a structure to everything you see on the web page. Here a super basic HTML example. Tag type, HTML open, HTML close, head open, head close, body open, and body close. We can close the code with the dash. Don't worry, I'll explain every part of this code in the next videos. Chapter 2. What is CSS? CSS means cascading style sheets. If HTML it's a skeleton, CSS is like a hair, a skin, and clothes. That make your website look good. While HTML beats the structure, CSS controls the design. For example, colors, font, layout, and more. Chapter 3. Where do we write our code? One of the best editors out there is a Visual Studio Code or VS Code. It's a free, lightweight, and support many languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and more. You can download for Windows or your Mac. With VS Code, coding feels smooth and beautiful. By the way, you'll notice every file has an extension like HTML, .png, .jpg, or MP4. You can see .jpg, .mp4, .png, .html, .css, .js. You can see .txt, .pdf. This will help your computer know exactly how to open each files. Chapter 4. Essential extensions for easier coding. Now that we've taken the first step, it's a time to make code easier and more smooth professional. You should download VS Code and open it. Let's head to the extensions section in VS Code. Here are some useful and life-saving extensions I recommend. You can see, and I recommend download every extensions because they are very useful and help you to better learn or beautiful coding, easier coding, and more. For example, I highly recommend Live Server. Live Server with just one click and your site runs live. No more refreshing the page. You can search that Live Server and you can install it and use that. So that's your quick intro to the HTML, CSS, and your new coding tool. Ready for the next step? Don't forget to hit the like button and follow me for episode 2. Keep it real.